Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to replace the USB charging ports. Okay, the first thing you have to hit this phone right on at least for 5 to 15 minutes. If you have it at home, just try to open. This one is a rubber, it's not a glass. Okay, just be careful. Just try to put the tools inside, open it slowly. Okay, but when you have the heater, make it more easy for it to open. Make the glue become very, very weak. Just hit it right on like this. When you hit it, the glue become very, very weak for you, so it will be easy for you to open. Okay, after you hit it for some time, then you just use the tools, put it right on, open the glue. If you have the heater at home, just try to open it. This one is rubber, it's not glass. Okay, just open it right. Be careful with the fingerprint cable. Okay, open it right, and then you try to open the cover. Okay, fingerprint cable is this side, so be careful for that one. And take out the screw here. You have 2 screws. Take out this other one also. Take out this panel. Okay, disconnect the fingerprint cable from this side. Okay, to the one side, and disconnect the battery. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw down this side. So remove the charging ports from this side. Make sure you take out all the screw from this side. Okay, so many screw. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay, remove the ringer, everything. After you remove all the screw, remove this cover on top. Be careful for the connector. Okay, be careful when you put the tools inside. Don't force to do it because this is a bit hard because there is glue on it. Okay, take out this cover. Remove it with the ringer. This is a ringer. Okay, disconnect the charging ports. Okay, remove this network cable. Then try to raise the motherboard up. We have a glue on there also, so we just open it with the clip, take it out, put it one side. Now it's time to fix the new one. Take out this rubber here on the old one, so you can put it back on the new one to protect the charging port from water, the legs. So put it back here. Okay, then fix back charging system is very nice. Exactly how you take it. Okay, fix back this connector, very nice. Okay, and fix back the network cable. This is very nice. Okay, put back this cover. Make sure you put the ringer first. Very nice like this. Then put back this cover on top. Make sure you fix the cover, have a clip here. Make sure the clip go inside properly. Then you twist it properly like this and close it. Replace back all the screw you take out from down there. Make sure you replace all the screw, don't leave any screw, okay? Make sure you replace all the screw. After you replace all the screw, okay, fix back the battery. So it feels very nice. Okay, now you fix back the fingerprint cable. Make sure you fix it very nice. Okay, then put back this panel. You have a clip here. Replace back the 2 screws you take out. Okay, now you put the glue right around the phone. Put it very nice right around. Don't put it on the screw, okay? Just put at the edge of the phone, very nice right around. So I put it right round. Okay, put the glue right round, then you close the cover. Make sure you put it very straight, don't bend it. Okay, if you have a rubber light, you can use at least for 30 minutes so the glue become dry before you take it out. If you have a rubber light, you can use later, just tape it for 30 minutes so the glue become dry before you take it out. Okay, put down here also. Put at the top here also, at least for 30 minutes. Okay, now you put the phone on charge to test the charging system. As you can see, logo already show. Charging port is good. Everything is nice. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.